Here we come to the elevators at the Toyota Center parking garage in downtown Houston, Texas. These are Schindler 500A. I don't know if this elevator car works. It's stuck on 3. Oh, and here it is. Seven. Door close button does not work. Here we go. It's a view of the Toyota Center. You get an amazing view of downtown Houston skyline up here. It's getting very cloudy outside today. I don't know if the other elevator car works. Alright, I'm gonna send this up. See, that one's on 3. No, unfortunately, I don't think it works. No, it does not work. So anyways, that'll be it. Thanks for watching. And when it gets sunny outside, I'll do another take on these during the bright, cloudless day. But anyways, there it goes. Thanks for watching, and that's it.